Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys the keyboard shortcut to sleep, switch user, sign out, shut down, and restart your Windows computer. So Windows 10 and Windows 11 features numerous ways to restart or reboot your computer, and the keyboard shortcuts are the secret tools to computer proficiency. With the simple combinations of keys, you can command your PC to enter keyboard shortcut and saving you the hassle of navigating through menus. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to press the Alt key and F4 on your keyboard. So kailangan mo lang yan pagsabayan and then press mo lang siya. And then ganito yung makikita natin or magpop up itong sa ating desktop screen. So shut down Windows. So nandito yung mga option na pwede natin gawin like yung switch user, sign out, shut down, and then yung restart. Okay, so kung ano ba yung ibig sabihin ng Alt K plus F4K is well known for closing applications, but it also plays a pivotal role in power management. Alright, so ito yung pinakamagandang keyboard shortcut mga kaibigan kung gusto mo ng shutdown, switch user, sign out, or yung restart your PC. And next step ay click mo lang dito yung OK. And other method na pwede natin gawin naman as keyboard shortcut ay press mo lang yung Windows key plus X on your keyboard. So pagsabayin mo lang yan. And then ganito naman yung ating keyboard shortcut. So dito lang sa baba makikita mo dito yung shutdown or sign out. And then nandito naman yung option na restart mga kaibigan. So i-press mo lang dito and select ka lang dito kung ano yung option mo na mas madali mga kaibigan. Alright, and then ganun lang po kung ano yung keyboard shortcut to sleep, switch user, sign out, shut down, and restart in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.